experiencing muffled or distant audio during calls with your AirPods Pro 3. The issue may stem from a faulty speech detecting accelerometer. This sensor is designed to activate skin-based microphones for clearer call quality. First, ensure your AirPods Pro 3 have a snug fit in your ears. A loose fit can prevent proper sensor detection. Next, confirm your AirPods are running the latest firmware, version 7A206 or later. Update via the Find My app. If problems persist after the update and proper fit, proceed to the next section for more advanced troubleshooting. If software updates don't resolve the problem, try resetting your AirPods Pro 3 through the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone or iPad. If the issue continues, especially with early production models, serial numbers starting with F before October 2024, a hardware defect might be the cause. Apple expanded its repair program to cover faulty accelerometers under warranty within the first year of purchase. Contact Apple support for diagnostics and potential free replacement if a hardware malfunction is confirmed. For issues following sweat-inducing workouts, consider protective cases to mitigate environmental vulnerabilities. As a final step, users can attempt to test the microphone on their own using the Apple Diagnostics mode and compare results before and after attempting any fixes. Remember to consult official Apple resources for the latest updates and support information.